Dr. Rehan Hafiz, Professor at the Computer and Software Engineering Department, Information Technology, University, Lahore. I did my PhD from the University of Manchester, UK, and have been associated with ITU since 2016. My work revolves around digital system design, computer architecture, computer vision, and embedded AI. Embedded AI is an emerging area with applications ranging from drones, wearable devices, robotics, and autonomous cars. It deals with running smart AI algorithms on small, low-power devices. It's a fast-growing field with a lot of career potential both here as well as abroad. At ITU, we don't just teach theory. Our research labs are well connected with industry, both local as well as international. Students get hands-on experience with real-world technologies as they work in these labs. Because of this, many of our students are able to get job offers even before they graduate. Not only that, a number of our students are able to win scholarships in top universities of the world. I believe this is what makes ITU special. Hands-on experience on latest technologies and a vibrant R&D culture.